Good morning, sir. This is my report. My topic for today is test registration and mechanical devices. Test as source of data. Definition. A test may be defined as a specific type of measuring instrument whose general characteristic is that it it forces response from a pupil and the response are considered to be indicative of the pupil's skills, knowledge, attitudes, or anyone else. Some examples are true-false test, essay examination, attitudes, skills, short answer test, midterms, finals, personality inventory. Classification of tests for research purposes. A. According to standardization. Standardization. 1. Standard test. A stand or standardized test is one for which content has been selected and checked empirically, for which norms have been established, for which uniform methods of administration and scoring have been developed, and which may be scored with a high degree of objectivity. Standardized test mao ang klase sa test nga gihimong gamit sa specific scientific ang pamaagi, sir. Ang sulod sa test gipili o gi-check pinaagi sa research ug adunay norms o average scores nga gi-establish parehas ang paagi sa paghatag og pag-score sa test sa tanang tawo. Mao ang patas ug objective ang resulta, sir. B. According to function. 1. Psychological test. This is a test that measures an individual's ability or personality as developed by general experience. Psychological tests are standardized. The types of psychological tests are: ang psychological test dai sir kay usa sa klase nga test nga sukod sa abilidad, batasan o personalidad sa usa ka tawo nga natukod pinaagi sa kasinitaan. A. Aptitude test. This is a test designed to indicate a person's potential ability or performance of a certain type of activity. Examples are musical aptitude test, prognostic test, scholastic aptitude test, mechanical aptitude test, and like LB. This test measures special talent or ability. Ang aptitude test dai sir kay ang intelligent test kay binuhat gamit ang daghang bahin nga makasukod sa kinatibok ang mental nga abilidad sa tawo. B. Personality test. This is a test designed to measure some aspect of an individual's personality. The types of personality tests are: personality test. Ang personality test kay test nga tigukod sa laing-laing bahin sa personalidad sa usa ka tawo sama sa kuan sir, pamatasan, attitude o emotional nga kinaiya. May nga na sir. Number 2. Personality inventory. This is a measuring device for determining an individual's personal characteristics such as his emotional adjustment or tendencies toward introversion or extroversion. May be arranged for self-rating for self-rating or for rating by other person. This test also measure the dominance and submissiveness submissiveness. Ang personal inventory sir kay usa sa pamaagi sa pagukod sa kinaiya sa usa ka tawo sama sa iyang emotional nga pag-adjust o ang iyang pagka-introvert o pagka-extrovert. Nga sir. Number 3, projective test. A method of measurement of an individual's personality in which the stimulus is usually structured and produces responses reflecting the person's individuality. The research test consisting of ink blots is an example. The subject interprets the ink blots and his interpretation reveal his personality. The thematic perception test consisting of standardized pictures is another. The subject interprets the pictures and this interpretation will reveal his values, motives, and other aspect of his personality. Ang projective test dahil sir kay usa sa pamaagi sa pagsukod sa personalidad sa usa ka tawo gamit ang dili klaro o walay porma nga stimulus. T. Vocational and professional interest inventory. This is a test used to determine the extent to which a person likes and dislikes relate to a given vocation or professions. This test reveals in what type of work a person is interested in, whether business, teaching, medicine, mechanic, or anyone else. Ang vocation and professional interest inventory sir kini nga test gigamit aron mahibal-an kung unsa ang mga ganahan o dili ganahan sa usa ka tawo nga may kalabutan sa mga trabaho o profesyon. 4. Educational test. This is an achievement test which aims to measure a person's knowledge, skills, ability, understanding, and other outcomes in subject taught in school. This test may be standardized or teacher-made. Examples are achievement tests in mathematics, English, science. Kuan sir, ang educational test usa sa achievement test nga gisukod ang kabalo kahanas, abilidad, pagsabot ug uban pang resulta sa pagtuon sa eskwela. Characteristics of test. There are certain characteristics of a test without which the test may not be useful. The characteristics of a good test are the following. Validity. Validity refers to how accurate a test measures when it aims to measure if a test aims to measure. Knowledge and proficiency in geometry, then it is valid. However, if it proficiency in geometry and it does measure knowledge and proficiency in algebra instead, then it is not valid. Some criteria to determine the validity of a test are. Ang pamagi sa validity sir. A. Ang test items kinahanglan gikan sa subject nga gisukod. Kung geometry ang test, kinahanglan geometry pud ang mga pangutana. Kaduha, kinahanglan taas ang correlation sa laing test nga nailan nga valid. Pasabot ani parehas og resulta nga ang duha ka test. Katulo, ang test dapat makapredict sa performance sa subject nga pareho. Man, example sir, kung 80% ang score sa estudyante sa usa ka standard geometry test, dapat parehas ra pud ang iyang score sa laing geometry test nga parehas og level. Kaupat sir, ang test dapat makahimo pag-place sa estudyante sa saktong niyang grupo. Example, sa standard geometry test nga adunay norms sa matag year level, and ang second year dapat mas taas og score kaysa first year. Ang third year mas taas kaysa second year, ug ang fourth year mas taas kaysa third year. Number 2, reliability. A test is reliable if it gives the same measurement to the same individuals or groups. That is if the test is given twice to the same individuals or groups after the lapse of a certain period between the two administrations. For instance, if a test is conducted on the mean is 75, and after a certain period the same test is given to the same group and the mean is also 75, the test is reliable. Also, if an individual obtains the same score or about the same score in the second administration, the test is reliable. Some factors that make a test more reliable. Example sir, kung ang usa ka grupo mo take og test karon og ang ilang average score kay 75, nya human og pipila sa kaadlaw mo take sila og balik sa mao gihapon nga test, ug ang average kay score 75 gihapon, ang test reliable. Muna na sir. A, adequacy. That is the test is long enough to contain properly selected representative items of the behavior or knowledge to be measured. The test items are proportionally picked out from the topics of the subject matter, which is the subject of the test. Ang adequacy sa test kinahanglan taas o igo ang kidaghanon sa item sa test aron maayo nga marepresentar nga kaalam o kahanas nga kasukdon sir. B, objectivity. That is a test proper will give the same score no matter who will score it or scored by the same position. Different times, if a test is scored by Miss Ando and the score is 85, and the score by Miss Feria without knowing the score given by Miss Ando and the score is Celio 35. The test is objective. Ang test objective sir kung parehas ang score bisan kinsa ang mo-check niini o bisan ang mao gihapon ang teacher ang mo-check niini sa lain nga panahon. C, the procedures in administering the test must be whenever the test is given. Besides the test more also given under the same conditions of the room. Ang consistent nga pamaagi sa pag-administer sa test, kinahanglan parehas gihapon ang proseso sa paghatag sa test kada gayon nga ihatag kini. Three, usability. A test is usable if it is easy to administer, easy to score, economical, not expensive. There are norms to compare the results with, and it is utile that is It is usable for the purpose it is intended to perform. Advantage of standard tests. 1. Standard tests are generally valid and reliable. Ang standard test kasagaran valid ug valuable kay tokma ilang gina-measure or balik-balik ang resulta kung gamiton sa parehas nga kondisyon. 2. Standard tests are accompanied by manuals of construction consuming their administration and scoring, and so there are no problems on how they are administered and scored. Sila manuals nga nanghatag klarong instruction sir kung unsaon pag administer og pag-score mga walay kalibog o lahi-lahi nga pamaagi. Katulo, standard tests are provided with norms with which the test results are compared and given meaning. Hence, interpretation of test results is easy. Ang standard test adunay norms nga mahimong gamiton para ikumpara ang resulta sa mas daghang population. Tungod niini mas sayon ang pag-interpret sa resulta. 4. Standard tests can be used again and again provided they are not given to the same group twice or more. If they are given to the same group repeatedly, their validity and reliability will be adversely effective because of the effect of practice. Pwede gamiton balik ang standard test basta dili lang ihatag balik-balikon sa parehas nga grupo. Kung balik-balikon mausab ang validity ug reliability tungod sa practice effect. 5. Standard tests provide a comprehensive coverage of the basic knowledge, skills, abilities, and other traits that are generally considered as essential. Naghatag sila og lapad nga coverage sa mga kinahanglanon nga kahibalo, skills, abilities ug uban pang traits nga importante sa usa ka assessment. B. Objectivity, that is a test proper will give the same score no matter who will score it or scored by the same position. Different times if a test is scored by Miss Ando and the score is 85 and the score by Miss Feria without knowing the score given by Miss Ando and the score is Celio 35. The test is objective. Ang test objective sir kung parehas ang score bisan kinsa ang mo-check niini o bisan ang mao gihapon ang teacher ang mo-check niini sa lain nga panahon. Limitations of standard test. 1. Since standard tests are intended for general use, their contents may not fully correspond to the expected outcomes of the instructional objectives of a particular school, course, or subject. This is especially true with standard achievement tests. Hence, or very careful selection has to be done if standard tests are to be used for measurement. Ang standard test kay gihimo para sa general nga gamit sir. Mao nga dili pero may mohaom sa tokmang learning objective sa usa ka eskwelahan, kurso o subject. Test as source of research data. Generally, only standard tests are used to gather data, and research usually do not have such characteristics. Hence, the the latter the latter are not used in because of their validity, reliability, and usability. Non-standard tests research except when one wants to find out the level of achievements of wants to find out the level of achievement of his student in geometry. He a certain group in a certain subject. For instance, a teacher in geometry administers to his students a standard test in geometry, and his his own teacher made test. Then he compares the results. If the two sets of source correctly highly the level of achievements of the student is alright, but if there is a great disparity in this score, there must be something amiss in the instructional process. Standard tests are very useful in research in psychology, and it say psychiatry, particularly in individual case study. In research concerning emotional mal- maladjustment, standard tests are extensively and intensively utilized. Results from standard tests usually form parts of the cumulative records of individual cases. Standard achievement tests in the different subjects are often used in school surveys to determine the levels of achievement of the pupils or students in the municipal district, vision, or national level as the case may be. Maro to sir, I, ho- I hope nga okay ra ang kuwan, sir report. Thank you.